In today's video, I'm going to teach you what Cloudways is used for. If you've ever wanted the speed and flexibility of premium cloud infrastructure, but without dealing with command lines, server packages, and manual Linux setup, this is where Cloudways becomes useful. Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting platform that helps you build, deploy, and scale websites and web applications through a visual dashboard. So you can work with powerful cloud servers without having to manage everything from scratch. One of the biggest reasons people use Cloudways is for hosting fast WordPress websites and WooCommerce stores. Instead of being packed onto a crowded shared hosting environment, your project runs in an isolated cloud setup designed for performance. That means better stability during traffic spikes, especially when you're running promotions, ad campaigns, or seasonal sales. Cloudways also includes a performance-focused server stack with technologies like Nginx, optimized PHP processing, and built-in caching to help pages load faster. It's also a strong option for digital agencies managing multiple client projects. Rather than juggling separate hosting accounts everywhere, agencies can use one central dashboard to manage multiple applications. Team access can also be controlled carefully, so designers, developers, and collaborators only see the areas they actually need. For developers and software teams, Cloudways is commonly used to launch custom PHP applications and Laravel projects. It supports popular frameworks and makes deployment much simpler by reducing the amount of server preparation you normally have to do manually. Git-based workflows are also available, which helps teams keep deployments organized and efficient. Another very practical use case is staging and testing. Before making major updates to a live website, you can work inside a separate staging environment to test themes, plugins, code changes, or structural updates safely. Once everything looks good, you can push those changes to the live site with minimal interruption. Cloudways is also used for scaling and recovery. If your site starts getting more visitors, you can increase server resources from the dashboard instead of rebuilding your setup from scratch. And with automated backups and restore points, recovering from a mistake or technical issue is far easier. To get started, sign in to Cloudways and launch a new server. Choose the application you want to run, such as WordPress or Laravel. Then select your preferred cloud provider and let the platform provision the server for you. Once the server is active, open the applications area and select your app to view the access details. From there, you can find your temporary application URL and the admin login details for your site. Next, copy your server's public IP address and update your domain's DNS settings at your domain registrar by creating an A record that points to that IP. Finally, go back into Cloudways, open domain management, add your custom domain, and make it the primary domain. Then open the SSL section, enter your email and